Good day everyone, my name is Peter Aganas and I'm going to discuss the carbohydrate experiment. And here is the following materials that we need in this experiment. General test in carbohydrates. Make sure that you can label the following test tube solution to be sampled in carbohydrates. First is the molish test. Make sure that 10 drops of molish reagent in each test tube, carbohydrate samples, and add and mix it. After that, carefully add about 15 to 20 drops concentrated reagents, sulfuric acid, and allowed to flow down into the tube and do not stir it. And this is the result after a few minutes that we have taken. And for the next sample is the Benedict test, a test for reducing sugar. To do this, about 2 ml Benedict solution added to 4 empty tube and placed in the water boiling at 30 seconds. After that, if the solution is clear blue, we can continue the test in 3 reagents which not contaminated. Allow the 4 tubes to cool down and add 5 drops of carbohydrate solution, and after that, you can place the 4 tubes in the boiling water in just 2 minutes. Cool and observe what happened. And here is the sample of taking out in boiling water. And this is the final result. So the next is the filling test, reducing and determine the test of sugar. It differs in Benedict test in the reagent. Solution consists is solution A and solution B. We need to drop the 1 ml solution and 3 ml water. After that, place in the boiling water in a few minutes. If the test is color blue, we're going to add a sugar solution. After that, put again in the boiling water test. For at just 2 minutes, note the change of the solution. And the result of 2 minutes at the boiling water, this small amount of precipitate is brick red. Our next test is the Barfoed test. Distinguish the monosaccharides and reducing the disaccharides. The controlling pH and time heating. Coupled reduction test in acidic. And for the procedure, each the test tube need to drop the Barfoed reagent 2 ml, and for each of the test tube need to drop the 10 ml sugar solution and place it in the boiling water for 5 minutes. And after that, the result is this. Observe the first 15 minutes, and this is the result. And our last test is Seliwanov test. Distinguishes between fructose and glucose. Overheating should be avoided. Continuous boiling and the ADU says continue give a positive result. And to do this, we need to drop the 2 ml sugar solution on the test tube and add the 3 ml Seliwanov reagent. Immerse the solution on boiling water. Observe the change after or before 10 minutes and the result after taking in the test tube is here. This is the final result. And now, we will proceeding in the iodine test. For starch, this test need to drop the 2 ml of the plant starch solution and add the drop of iodine solution. Heat the solution and notes the change after the solution heat and cool down. Here is the result of the iodine test.